Morning everybody, it is Tuesday morning, bright and early. It's a miserable day, it's pouring down with rain, but we're out, we've got stuff to do. I've just been to Rugeley to do a quote for a roof. He seemed like a really nice guy, so I'm pretty sure I'll get that job. So you guys will see that probably on the other channel pretty soon. I was just thinking then, I remember there's, I don't know, especially in England, there's always a lot of like talk and stuff on groups, and it's like, and they see people working out in the pouring rain and things like that, and people are like, oh, they must be skint out working in this weather, like it's a bad thing to be working in the rain. I completely disagree. I know it's a joke most of the times, it's not to be taken too seriously, but I don't know, it seemed as a desperate sort of thing, like it's raining man, just have a day off. But no, when it's pouring down with rain and I see someone out working, I'm like, wow, that guy must be busy, because it's not fun. Let's get that straight. I mean, with pressure washing anyway, you do get soaked throughout the day. It's not a big deal with my job. Window cleaning is slightly different. If you're a traditional window cleaner, so using like a mop and a squeegee and rags, God, easy buddy. Yeah. Why do people like in big lorries come flying around corners? I've never understood that. Yeah, traditional window cleaning is a little bit different because you've got cloths and stuff and they just get soaked throughout the day, and it can be a miserable experience. But if you're pure water window cleaning, or you're pressure washing, or you're gutter clearing, pretty much any form of cleaning that's outside, it only helps your day. I know it's not nice to work in, but it helps. It's an extra free rinse for you, if you know what I mean, save a bit of water. So yeah, I just think, man, that guy must be busy. And I'm super busy at the moment, hence why I'm out in the rain. So yeah, I'll see you when I get to this job. It's a nice easy pressure washing job, nothing too big. He's a nice bloke, he's a gardener by trade, and I think he's been watching the videos and he says, can you come down and help me out and do mine? So I don't think he enjoys pressure washing very much. So I'll see you when I get there. Nice one. Right, let's hope you guys on the camera up there don't get too soaked today. Let's go. So there's really not much to do at this place, to be honest. Just some pathways, some walls, and that is about it. Some fuel in. Got to do all of these little bits here with the green on the walls. Got to do this pathway here, and then there's a bit around the back as well. Yeah, I've got to do all around here as well.
Alright.
Lovely day for it, isn't it?
Right. I said to the missus just as the farmers did, I wouldn't.
If I didn't have so much to do, I'd have a day off, mate. Yeah, it doesn't matter too much in this job, to be fair.
If you go through next door's gate.
Yep.
They're tapping.
So is it? Oh, is it that side? Is it? Okay.
We had one.
I'd have a tea, please. That'd be lovely. Thank you very much. 1 sugar for me, please. I was looking for this. Didn't realise it was in the van the whole time. Show you all the trick for rinsing off stuff that's right next to mud. Look, take the end of the gun off and then rinse like that, and that way you'll get no splashback on you. So if you start trying to rinse that with pressure, it's just going to go all over you again. if you're wondering why I'm doing circle lines on this, circular motions instead of straight lines, because this sort of concrete here, it marks really easily. So if you do sort of straight lines, it will show up really easily when it's dried if you don't put any chemicals down afterwards. And like this stuff here, it doesn't actually need any chemicals, so I'm not going to put any on. Because it would just be a waste really. So yeah, circular motions, and that will make sure that you don't get any sort of marks when it's dried.
I'm just going to pull back. I'll clean that road up. Where's the nearest drain? Is there? I'll wash it all down there.
Thank you so much.
No worries, mate.
So I'll give you a tinkle around.
Anytime, mate. Anytime.
I'll let you know.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah. What I'll do as well, when we do it, before we commit to everything, I'll do a little test patch for you around the back somewhere, just like a little corner. I'll do like one tile, and if it's bright red, it'll be like golden. Happy days. Yeah. All right, buddy. Thank you very much. Take care. Oops. Right then folks, so my final handy tip, which is the tip I've always given, is always do that road It doesn't take 5 minutes just to pull forward a bit, you know, and clean where you've been, because look at this. Loads of mud and stuff, so we'll sweep this down and then rinse it down.